Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial I am going to explain you some of the basic functions in SQL such as count, average and sum. SQL has many built-in functions for performing processing on string or numeric data. So following are some useful SQL functions. First one is count, which returns the number of rows that matches a specific criterion. Average, which returns average value of a numeric column, and the sum, which returns the total sum of a numeric value. This is the basic syntax by which we can use all these built-in functions. Let me show you with some examples. This is the Sql Command Line interface, and today we are going to use functions on employees table. Let me show you its data. DESC employees. So these are the columns present in the employees table along with their data type. Let me show you the data present in the employees table. Select star from employees. As you can see, there are a lot of records present in this table. So if we want the exact number of records which are present in the employees table, we can use count function here. Let me show you how to use it. For this, you just have to type select count, and in bracket you have to select all from employees table, semicolon and enter. Here you can get the 107. So these are the number of records present in the employees table. To further filter out the data, we can also use where condition in conjunction with count function. Let me show you how to do it. Just copy the same query and we will use here where condition on the salary column, in which the salary is greater than 10,000. After hitting enter, now we will get only the 15 records which satisfies this where condition, in which salary is greater than 10,000. For the second example, if we want the sum of numeric values which are present in a specific column, we can use sum function there. So for this example, we will be retrieving the sum of the salary column in which the department ID is 50. Let me show you how to do it. We just have to type select sum of, in bracket, salary from employees where department ID equals to 50, semicolon and enter. As you can see, we are getting the sum of salary column for the department ID 50. In the last example, we are going to use average function to figure out the average salary given to all the employees. Let me show you how to use it. For this, you just have to type select AVG, which is average, and in bracket we have to give the column name, which is salary, from table name, which is employees. After hitting semicolon and enter, this is the average salary given to all the employees. In this tutorial, I have briefly explained you what are some of the built-in functions in SQL and how we can use them effectively with some simple examples. To get more clarification about SQL, watch my other SQL videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell to get latest updates.